The placement test report allows you to check which students have completed their placement test and which questions were answered correctly or incorrectly, or skipped by each student. The test outcome column shows whether a student's learning level is equal to the class's year level or not. If any knowledge gaps were found in the student's learning level set in a placement test, their learning level may be decreased. If a student has done multiple placement tests, you can expand the report and view details for each attempt. This will help you track their progress. Only the latest attempt is displayed when the report is collapsed. Select a student to view correctly or incorrectly answered and skipped questions for each test attempt. You can set new tests as required, for example, once per term. Select the students to set the test for, and select the learning level of the tests. If you change your mind about a placement test that you have set, you can unset it. Only tests that have a status of pending can be unset. You can also export the report as an Excel sheet.